Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Meta here, Meta Munchies, and today we have something special. We have a barbecue mukbang. We have brisket, pickles, mac and cheese with parmesan on top, some fries, and some garlic rolls. This is our drink today, same as before. There's some half and half iced tea and lemonade. Alright, let's dig in. I guess I'll start with the brisket here. You don't even need sauce with this. I have some Sweet Baby Ray's. I also have some homemade, it's kind of like gold spicy barbecue sauce. So yeah, it's just like a lot lighter than the traditional barbecue sauce. I think I'm gonna make like a little sandwich. Put some of the mac and cheese in there too. This brisket is so fatty and tender. This is probably like a perfect meal. My only complaint is that some of the brisket pieces are just like way too fatty, like right here. But I mean, otherwise, it's like a perfect mix. Yeah, that's probably it for me, guys. Overall, the brisket is nice and tender and fatty, but a little too fatty at times. The curly fries were curly fries. Mac and cheese was nice, especially with the Parmesan on top. The bread's a little bit well done. That was my fault. I left it in the oven for a little too long. But I mean, it still made a great barbecue sandwich. And the pickles were really needed because everything on this cutting board is just so heavy. So yeah, I can't complain. It was. I'll catch you guys on the next one, and I'll save this for later. But for now, peace out.